Good morning, friends. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Today my background looks a little different. I'm actually filming in my kitchen early morning, so I'm kind of still asleep. The lighting is a lot better here, and I'm home alone, so I kind of like being in the kitchen when I'm home alone. I know it's been out for a while now, but I just got it. I just received it in the mail. The Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. It's pretty big. It's a lot bigger than I thought. So yeah, so we're just gonna do my base first and then we'll go into the eyeshadows, but I just want to open it real quickly to see what it looks like inside. So that's what it looks like. Oh, cool. Wow, these are big. So that's what it looks like when you open it. Ta-da! And it has this little sheet and it has all the names on there. I usually tend to keep these sheets, but they do sometimes get lost. So I guess it does suck that those names aren't like on the actual palette itself, but it's okay. Not a deal breaker. We'll just put that on the side. But look at those colors. I don't know if that's picking it up because the sun is coming through this side, but can you see the greens and blues? Those pinks on top. I love that this middle row is so big because those are your normal everyday colors, transition colors. So that's pretty cool. Okay. And I just messed one up. And I got it all over my black shirt. It's okay. It's this green one here. I don't know what color I'll do. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. Look at that. Okay, let's swatch one of them since I'm already messy. Let's swatch that green one here, which is Taylor. Ooh, didn't mean to flip you off, but let's put that here or here. Wow, that's pretty nice. Can you see that? Let's do another one. Let's do this. I don't know if it's hot pink or red, this one here. This is the Snatched color. Pretty nice name for it. Wow, look at that. I like that so far. Wow, that's pretty cool. Pretty pigmented. I like it. Okay, which other one should we? Ooh, this magenta color up here right above it. And that is called Create. Really like that. Okay, let's do that. That's what it looks like on my pinky. Now let's put it on. Wow, that's gorgeous. Ooh, that's really soft. See? I like it. Okay, so let's get started. Let's put this little bad boy back because I know I'll need that later.
I'm back. Just want to get some makeup wipes to take all this off before I get it all over myself, which I tend to do a lot. I really can't hide when I go to the store because they all see it. They all see eyeshadows all over me, so I can't be sneaky about it because I'm kind of messy. Look, see what I mean? It's out of breath. It's out of shape. Alright, it's okay. Sorry I look all crazy, guys. It's early morning, and I'm not a morning person at all.
So let's start off with my base. Real simple. I'm not going to get all crazy. I honestly just want to put those colorful eyeshadows on my eyelids. Sorry, guys. I got interrupted by my mother. Just kidding. No, but really, she did call. She noticed my car outside today, and she's like, "Are you okay?" I'm like, "Yes, I'm fine." So I had to answer my mom's phone call. I have to. I can't ignore my mama. So we're gonna do our base first. I'm gonna use the NARS. I think this is the oh, there it is. Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. It says Shape Well, so Shape Well. And I'm in the color Stromboli. Alright, so that's done. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer using that same beauty blender. I'm just going to take a little bit under my eye. Okay, so I'm going to set everything because I am really oily. I'm going to set it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So now I'm just going to put a little bit of contour, or more like a bronzer, I guess. bronzer slash contour. I don't know. So I'm going to be using the Morphe Y5 brush. I used it yesterday. This is why it looks like that. And I'm going to use a Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. I love this thing. It's so pigmented. It's so good and creamy. I'm going to actually mix the first two colors. This is more like a bronzer shade for me. And then this is more of a contour shade for me. So I'm just going to use more of this and a little bit of this on my cheekbone. Well, to give me a little bit of a cheekbone. You know, these chunky cheeks don't have anything right now.
Little color. Are you guys ever home alone and you keep hearing little noises here and there and you're getting freaked out? That's me right now. I'm usually never home alone. I live with 3 guys and a dog. Even my dog is a dude. And I'm home alone right now. My dog's outside watching me. It's okay, but I keep hearing these little noises and I'm getting freaked out. And it doesn't help, it's October. It's October 1st today, like that. And it's so dumb too, because it's not all the time. It's just sometimes I feel scared. And sometimes I'm like, whatever, it's just a bird or whatever. Because we have a lot of birds in our trees. We have a big huge tree in the front of our house and then 2 trees in our backyard. And they're always filled with so many birds. So it's usually the birds. And now that I'm saying it, it's probably the damn birds right now. See? Did you hear my dog? He's chasing a bird.
Okay, so our base is done. I'm just going to put on some eyebrows real quick. I'm going to be using the Burberry Effortless Eyebrow Definer Brow Shaping Pencil in the shade Ash Brown number 3. And it looks like that. Ta-da! Done. Eyebrows are done. That's as good as they're going to get. So first I'm going to go in with the transition color. I want to go in with Define Me. And that's the eyeshadow smack dab in the middle of this palette. Let's see how this looks. That's really pretty. I'm actually going to bring it up higher because there's going to be a lot of purple going on. I always have to remind myself when I do colors like this that it's going to look crazy before it looks okay. Or before it looks good, I should say. So I just brought that up almost right under my eyebrow. Again, it's going to be really smoked out and blown out. So I want to push that out as much as I can without actually going on my eyebrow. Okay, so now I'm just going to go straight in with the purple color I was looking at. It is the color Create. And I'm going to put that right all over my eyelid, but then right under this transition color. Okay, now to darken up the corners there, I'm going to use Passion, and that's another, almost like a muted purple.
Just a little bit.
So I'm just going to lightly put that bright purple color on my lid. The Create color.
And I'm not swiping, I'm patting.
Okay, so now just to deepen up the corners just a little bit, I'm going to go in with the color Forever. And it's, I think it's the darkest purple in the palette. And I'm going to use this Beach Cosmetics eyeshadow brush. See? Just a little bit on the corner. So first we're going to go in with that transition color on the lower lash line. We're going to take that color Create and just apply that to the lower lash line as well. Just very lightly. And I'm only going to bring that in halfway, and I'm going to do that snatched color up in the front, or in the beginning of my lash line. And now taking a Morphe M506, that's what I'm going to use to do the beginning of my lash line with that snatched color. Alright guys, I'm actually liking it. Let's go ahead and put some eyeliner on. I'm going to use that same flat definer brush from MAC, the 212. And there's actually a black eyeliner, or a black eyeshadow in this palette. It's called Muse. So I'm going to go ahead and just use that. And I'm just going to stamp it along my lash line. Alright, so I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and put some mascara on. I'm not going to put false lashes today. I just want to see what it looks like with the mascara on. Okay, so for mascara, I'm going to use the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. And this is in Mystic Black. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to put a little bit of blush and maybe a little lip, and then I'll come back in a few. So for the lip, I'm going to use the MAC Edge to Edge Lip Pencil. And then for the lipstick, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie collection, the first one that came out in More Creamer Please. I'm going to set that in place with the Morphe setting spray, or setting mist. So that's it guys, what do you think? I actually like the color. I like how I blended out. You can't really see the color too well unless you're in the sunlight, but let me see if I can. Can you see it? Alright guys, so that's the finished look. This is in direct sunlight. So hopefully it's picking up those beautiful colors and how well they blended. Boo! Alright guys, so this is it. Hopefully you like the look. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And share this video with your friends so they can see it too. Alright guys, till next time. Have a great one.